Hi, my name is Tom Photsios with Vanguard Motor Sales, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful steel body 29 Model A street rod. Unbelievable car. We got a lot to show you here. Come on up, let's check it out. Underneath the hood, believe it or not, is actually a Ford motor. You don't see many of these street rods where they use Ford motors. It's a 351 Windsor with 400 horsepower. It has Dart competition heads. It's got the Holley fuel injection system. It has a Comp 280 cam, Keith Black 10-to-1 pistons, and roller rocker as well. It's unbelievably quick. It also has front disc brakes on it. It's painted plum twilight purple. It's a 94 Ford Probe color, which is nice, so if it needs any touching up, you have the paint to do it. Also, it has a Courier Ford 9-inch rear end. It's 31 spline axles with 411 full posi, and it's hooked up with traction bars. It has an all MSD electrical system, MSD ignition, billet distributor, and an 8-quart oil pan. It has a high volume oil pump, a C6 transmission along with a transcooler, B&M shifter, 2.5 dual exhaust with Flowmasters, and hooking all this up is some Mickey Thompsons in back. They're P295 65 R16s, and it also has a 3500 stall on it. The trailer is all steel. It's really nice. It's got the brake lights on there, place for license plates. Really kind of a neat feature with the vehicle. And this also has very nice tires on it as well. The only thing that's not steel on the vehicle is the fenders on the front and the back. The running boards are steel as well as the body. There's a couple little chips here and there on this vehicle. It's actually been driven. There's 4,500 miles on the total restoration. Inside the vehicle we have a fuel shutoff, MSD box, gauges, AM/FM CD radio, a tachometer, and the big surprise is this one even has a back seat in it. It's also equipped with seat belts. Don't forget you can call me with any questions at 248-974-9513. You can also join our fan club on Facebook at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. And also subscribe to us on YouTube so you can see all our new inventory being uploaded as we get it. Ready to go for a ride in this street machine? This thing's unbelievable. It's probably my first one that I've driven with a Ford motor. I don't know why the guys always put the Chevys in, but this thing's just really easy to drive, and I like all the little extras with the trailer, and I love the stereo in here too. The stereo works great as well. Jams out pretty good. I like the tack up here. It's right in your face. is kind of cool. Somebody tied up a lot of money in this. I don't know if you ever built one, but it sure would take a lot of money to build something of this caliber. Just hooking it all up right, it takes a lot of money and a lot of knowledge and time. If you've been looking for one, I would buy one done. Save yourself a ton of money. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can call Tom at 248-974-9513 or visit us on the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. All right, let's do it again, Aubrey. Spin out. We love it. Thank you for joining us at Vanguard Motor Sales. Stay tuned for the next pass.